You've probably tried side bends, Russian twists, and 100 oblique crunches hoping your love handles would just melt away. Here's the truth. None of that works, not because you're doing it wrong, but because spot reduction simply isn't how the human body works. You cannot target fat loss to one specific area, no matter how many reps you grind through. But here's the good news. There's a genuinely lazy, low-effort method backed by real research that actually does work, and it doesn't involve grinding through endless core workouts at all. First, let's clear up why the exercise approach fails. Love handles are just stored fat sitting on your flanks, right above your hips. That fat only comes off when your entire body is in a calorie deficit, meaning you're burning slightly more than you're eating overall. Where your body pulls that fat from is determined by genetics, not by which muscle you happen to exercise. And here's something important to know up front. Love handles are often one of the last places to visibly shrink, even when the rest of your body is changing. If your midsection feels stubborn while everything else is progressing, that's just normal biology, not a sign that your approach isn't working. So here's the actual laziest method that works. It's built almost entirely around one lever: your daily steps. Instead of forcing yourself into brutal cardio sessions or extreme dieting, simply aim to hit somewhere between 8,000 and 12,000 steps a day. This builds what's called your NEAT, the calories you burn just from everyday movement that has nothing to do with structured exercise. Park slightly farther away, take the stairs instead of the elevator, walk while you're on phone calls, pace around your kitchen while dinner's cooking. None of this feels like a workout, but it adds up to a real, meaningful calorie burn across the week without a single extra minute spent at the gym. Pair that with the smallest possible calorie deficit that still moves the needle, somewhere around 300 to 500 calories below what your body burns in a day. You don't need to slash your food drastically or cut out entire meals. A modest, sustainable deficit like this is enough to steadily reduce your overall body fat, including the fat sitting on your love handles, without leaving you starving, exhausted, or ready to quit after a week. Prioritize protein at each meal, since it keeps you fuller for longer and helps you hold on to muscle while the fat comes off. If you want to add just one more low-effort layer, keep doing light core and oblique work, not because it burns the fat directly, but because it improves your posture and helps your waist look tighter and more defined once the fat underneath it does come down. 2 or 3 short sessions a week is plenty. This isn't the mechanism that removes the love handles. Think of it as polishing what's underneath once the fat layer finally starts shrinking. Here's your full, lazy game plan. Walk more throughout your normal day instead of adding intense workouts. Eat in a small, sustainable calorie deficit instead of an aggressive one. Keep your protein high. Add a small amount of core work purely for shape, not for fat loss. And give it real time, because love handles are stubborn and typically take months of consistency, not weeks, to visibly shrink. The laziest part of this method isn't that it requires no effort at all. It's that the effort required is so small and spread out across your day that it barely feels like effort in the first place. Drop a comment and tell me, have you been relying on side exercises this whole time? Hit that like button. Subscribe for more evidence-based training that actually works.